Hello guys, this is Mind of Technology and Info YouTube channel. Please subscribe to this channel. This video will be on upcoming Honor 9A mobile. It is launching on August 6th Prime Day in Amazon. This smartphone will be priced around 9000. It is a best budget killer. This smartphone comes with extraordinary features at a low price. Let us briefly know about them in detail. This smartphone does not come with Google Play Store, but it has Honor App Gallery. But you will have similar apps as compared to Google Play Store. This smartphone also has a petal search feature which grabs information faster as compared to other mobiles. This smartphone comes with a massive 5000 mAh lithium-ion battery, out of which 4900 mAh is free to use. This smartphone also supports reverse charging through OTG cable. It comes with 3GB RAM and 64GB of internal storage and runs on MediaTek P22 processor. This smartphone comes with a dedicated SIM slot. It means that it also gets a dedicated memory card slot and it is expandable up to 512GB. It is equipped with triple rear cam setup. It includes 13 megapixel main camera, 5MP super wide angle camera with a 120 degrees wide angle and 2MP depth sensor. It comes with a 8 megapixel front camera. It supports digital zoom, auto flash, face detection, touch to focus and many other features too. This is a photo sample that is taken by using Honor 9A mobile. As you can see, it captures natural bokeh photos. In this smartphone, they have provided 6.3-inch HD Plus display. It comes with automatic brightness adjustment which ensures eye comfort, and also it has a dedicated e-book mode. The smartphone display will come with 20:9 aspect ratio and the body to screen ratio is 88.4%. This smartphone comes with a rear mounted fingerprint scanner and it supports facial unlock even in low light conditions. It has a special feature called as Enhanced Smart PA Sound System. It delivers up to 88 decibels of immersive sound experience and also it supports Huawei Houston 6 version. It comes with a dedicated party mode too. This smartphone weighs around 185 grams and it is offered in two colors, Midnight Black and Phantom Blue. Honor is ensuring that it will provide a VIP service at no extra cost. Thank you for watching this video guys. Please subscribe to this channel.